Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are checking out the RUBX rubber coated Hex Dumbbells. This is a 2 kg pair that's perfect for home workout, strength training and toning. So let's unbox and review these dumbbells. So let's take a look inside the box. So with 2 kg per dumbbells, these are perfect for beginners, rehabilitation exercises and high rep training for toning muscles. So you can perform a variety of workout like bicep curls, lateral rise and even core exercises. So that's all for our today's video. I'll put all the information link in my video description. Thanks for watching.